Welcome, Rolling Heritage family, and brand new video today for you guys. Over here we have the Volvo, that white Volvo 240 from 83, and yes, we are busy tearing this thing apart. There are some bits and pieces left, like some brake lines and stuff on the front of the engine, but everything else is out. I got the shocks out, front suspension, everything is out, brakes are out, so that's finally done. The thing I'm doing right now is just checking if everything is safe, and it is. So what we're gonna do now, over here you see that front beam, and I need to get this thing out so I can weld in this brand new one. And this is a replacement part from Scancar in the Netherlands, and these guys have a awesome service, so thank you for that. Well, this one is done. As you can see over there, as you can see over here. Yeah, this thing needs to go out. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna take this. Why are you not focusing? Come on. Come on. Yes, they are. So this is a heat gun. I'm gonna use this to get this piece clean. So I'm gonna take all this undercoating off, and I think I'm gonna clear it until here or something for now. And this you can do the rest of the job. But for now I'm gonna clean this piece. Just take this like a line and just clean this piece all to the front and under the car and everything. And then the same on this side, because here we need to weld the underside of the beam too, because yeah, that's also a bit broken. So we are going to roll another time lapse. Yes, this is very much time lapse stuff, but there will be very much videos coming, because over here I have my red block engine B23A, and yes, this is a whole different story, but it's not bad, so we can work with it, and I'm very happy about that. So yeah, by the way, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and make us bigger, because then we can restore another Volvo. And I hope a Amazon, a 444, a 445, a 850 T5R, or I don't know what you guys want to do, but leave a like, subscribe, and let's go on. So guys, this is it. I finally got this crusty piece of out of there, and in with the new. Look at this, brand new replacement part, and it does actually fit not that bad. As you can see, there's a tiny gap here, but yeah, it's a replacement part. It's not a NOS piece. Like you can get at Volvo or something. It's a copy, and copies always are a little bit different. So I can work with this. So if my radiator fits, then I'm happy. And as you can see, it looks very nice. So that's a very good thing. I just almost killed myself with my grinder. Well, not killed myself, but as you can see, I'm missing something. And I think in every single inch of my pants is now one of those very tiny wires, and it hurts like hell. But to the carb, yeah, I got my end cap off. This is the end cap of this piece over here, so we need to weld that back on. But first we need to make a new beam over here, as you can. So guys, welding is finally done and the frame in the front is finally back to its original structure, shape, everything else. So I'm very happy about that. I'm sorry for the birds in the background. They are driving me crazy today. But yeah, we can't do anything about those. I welded the frame, and as you can see, as you guys have seen in the previous short time lapses and videos, no, I'm not a professional welder. I do have a professional welding machine here with gas and with everything else, but I am a furniture maker. I am not a welder. I'm not a metal worker. And with that said, I want to show you guys what I did. So this is the frame rail that I fixed. I took this cap off. I cut out the complete under piece. I need to clear the floor a bit, but I've cut out this complete piece over here and over here. And yes, those welds over here are not very nice, but I can get to those with the grinder. Over here it's very nice, and in the front it's everything you want for a very structural and in very safe frame rail. In the inside you can see the piece you use for your shock, and yes, those are some welding wires you see over there, but this piece over here, you see I welded it back onto the bottom plate. This is the bracket that holds the bolt for your front bumper, and as you can see, this is very structural sound. The back, I welded in a piece over here on the bottom. There is a little hole on the top and a little hole on the bottom over there, but I can't get to those, so I will see what I'm gonna do with that. I had very much trouble with my welding machine because I just couldn't get the setting right. It looks like my wire is slipping all the time. It is a Lincoln Norweld, so it's a very decent machine. This thing has cost brand new, I think around 1600 euros or something, or bucks. I bought it for 345 with a used gas can, and it was empty, so I needed to throw it away. Got a brand new one, and yeah, now we are welding with that. It works perfectly fine. I also had this brand new Bosch grinder. The thing is awesome. I love that. It's a very tiny handy machine, so it's just very nice for doing car stuff like this. And on the other side we have the piece over there. It's welded from here and from there. As you can see, I made a hole in there. I made a hole in this one on the bottom. And as you can see, the welds on the inside are all true. They are very nice through the metal. So I know there will be some guys watching this video and they will say, what are you doing? Why are you welding so badly? And what are you doing? Yeah, I'm not a welder. I use a grinder. I grind my weld stuff and then it's perfectly fine. And the only thing I need to worry about with welding on this car is just make the welds true and true. Make sure that the heat is constant, and make sure that it's penetrating the steel, so it's safe and sound to use. And if I need to grind those welds off or just can use them right away, I don't care. It needs to be safe, it needs to be sound, and it needs to be done right, and that's what I do. So as you can see, it looks brand new. The cap is back on there, bumper fits, I already tried that. So the new piece, over here we have the new piece. This thing is ready to go in, but let's see. This thing is ready to go in like that, and then this piece is done. I started cleaning the inside of the fender over there and over here, but that's something for another video. So with that, let's put it away. With that, I want to thank you guys for watching again. It was an awesome video to make, and I love just welding on this car. In the beginning I hated it, but after doing some work with it and just making these pieces right again, making them fit, and seeing how actually, I don't want to say easy, but how, yeah, it's like easy. How easy it is when you have the tools, when you have the right equipment, when you have the right skill set of doing this. And I am not a metal worker, but as you can see in the bottom piece over here, I cut the hole so it matches the original shape and the original steel that come out of here. I matched the original contour of the metal with a grinder. I smacked it into place with a hammer, and using my bench vise thingy over here, and that worked like a charm. And I don't know where I put it. I just put it away, the old piece that was in there. Let me check. I don't know where I put it. Oh, over here. This is the old piece. This is what came out of there. So, yeah, this is what's like. This was placed like that. So we went from this to this. I think you can see why I'm happy that I can throw this away, because look at this. There are more holes in there than a Swiss cheese. And that's not good for a car. So yeah, I will continue working on this thing because I need it ready to paint, because this is already taking me a week until I started. And today is Saturday, started on Monday. So it's already 6 days in the making or something. And yeah, we are nowhere near the end. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You guys need to subscribe on Rolling Heritage, like this video, and make sure you tune in into the next one. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.